Hi guys, Scott here from the Weblab. Today I'm going to show you how to use our free website speed optimization tool. So let's just jump straight in. Okay, so first things first, this is for WordPress websites only. If you're not sure what you got, don't worry, the system will pick it up and it'll tell you if we can help you or not. So first, you're going to put your website address in here and click test speed. And then what our system's going to do is essentially going to run two tests and take the average of those two tests to give you the most accurate reading. And then it's going to give you a result that you can have a look at. So just a side note, if it looks like it gets stuck on 95%, it's not stuck. It's just doing the final touches, but it is definitely still processing. Okay, so here are the results. And you can see that this website can definitely use a bit of optimization. But the main thing you want to look at is the speed index. So 5.1 seconds on desktop and 13.4 seconds on mobile. And then what we've added is just a revenue impact calculation. So this is just an average. It doesn't mean this is how it's going to impact your business in any way, but it's just taken the averages from Google's research and we've put it into a South African context, and then this will change based on your website, the load speed, etc. So if you're keen to go ahead, then you'll click on help fix my speed, and then we'll generate a custom quote for you based on your website and your test results. At this stage, it's just a dummy set of numbers, so you'll see 10 Rand and 20 Rand. Obviously, it's not going to be that amount, but we'll just use this for demo purposes. You'll just need to click this. I understand we need WordPress admin access, so we'll need access to the backend of your website, as well as ideally your server. If you don't have your server details or you're not happy to provide us with the server login details, then that's fine. We can still improve the speed of the site without gaining access to the server, but we can improve it better if we do have server access. Okay, so you're just going to accept the quote and continue. You're going to give us your contact information, please. Okay, and then you're going to click on pay. And then I'll come back to you and show you what the last screen is going to look like so you can be aware of what the next step involves. Okay, so once your payments are successful, you'll land on this page, and this is where we essentially ask you for your login details for your WordPress website. So you'll see here your login URL, your username and password. We don't store this information on a database. We just it just gets emailed to us so we can process the order. Then we've got server details here. So you'll just select your service provider. Let's say it's Xnilo, for example. Give us your login details, username, password, and any additional information we might need to know, like two-factor authentication, etc. If you don't know these details at all and this is Chinese to you, then that's fine. All you're going to do is click on email my developer, and then you can put your developer's email address in here, and then it will send the request directly to them, which they can then send on to you or send on to us. And that's pretty much it. So you're just going to add what you need to add, submit access or email your developer, and then we'll get started on the process straight away. So hopefully this video is helpful, and feel free to reach out and ask any questions. I will be adding the email link up here as well on the website so that you can get hold of us. Okay, cheers. Bye.